Hello and congratulations on your Allen Heath Q series mixer. No matter which one you have, either 16, 24, 32, or even the SB or Qu-Pac, my job is to make sure that you're an expert in all the operations of the mixer. My name is David Wills and I've produced over 70 courses on the operation of all the hottest mixers over the last 20 plus years, and I'm proud to announce the release of our Q series video course. Now, I'm well aware that there are a number of videos out there on YouTube and similar video sites and forums, and you can try to kind of piece together a guide that will kind of get you up and running. But from the feedback I've had from many of our users, it's really a tiring process. Our solution at ProAudioEXP has always been to give you a complete step-by-step solution so that you can master your console in a logical order that really empowers you to get the most out of your new Q series mixer. Now, it's my goal to take you methodically through the machine from top to bottom so that you can build on that knowledge as we go. In fact, if you've never touched a mixer before, there's even a section called Mixing 101 that teaches you all the jargon and tech terms so that you can get up to speed and understand mixing from top to bottom. This is also going to be fun, and I promise we'll get through it together. Go ahead and look at some of the reviews and see real feedback from the folks who love this course. Then click on the Buy Now button and I'll see you inside the course.